Are you ready to transform your tax payments into smart investments while investing in an Irish company? Let me introduce the Employment Investment Incentive Scheme, or EIIS, presented by Blacks Distillery and Alpha Wealth. EIIS is a unique opportunity for investors like you to reduce your tax bill while supporting a growing Irish business. When you invest, you can claim a significant tax relief, making it a win-win for your finances and the business you support. And now we have a really exciting opportunity with Blacks Distillery, who produce a range of premium spirits and beers, which offers you this incredible chance to invest. For a limited time, you can receive a substantial 40% tax relief on your investment. But you need to act fast, as in 2024, this relief is set to reduce to 20%. Take the first step today and book a review to discover how your investment in Blacks Distillery can transform your tax payments.